Binance versus MEXC. Which crypto exchange is better explores how choosing the right platform can boost your crypto trading experience without unnecessary fees or limited options. Both exchanges offer unique features and trading opportunities. Binance and MEXC are popular crypto exchanges with global reach. The core difference lies in Binance's extensive liquidity and advanced tools versus MEXC's focus on emerging tokens and user-friendly interface, catering to different trading styles and priorities. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges globally, known for its vast selection of coins and high liquidity. It operates by providing a secure platform where users can trade spot, futures, and margin products with competitive fees. Binance's strengths include a comprehensive ecosystem that features staking, savings, and a native token, BNB, which reduces trading costs. Its advanced charting tools and API support are ideal for professional traders and institutions. However, Binance's complexity and regulatory scrutiny in some regions can be challenging for beginners. The platform requires thorough understanding to navigate its many features effectively. Binance suits users who prioritize a broad asset range, deep liquidity, and advanced trading options, including automated trading and derivatives. For those seeking a robust all-in-one crypto hub with global support, Binance remains a top choice. More details are available at Binance.com. MEXC is a crypto exchange that emphasizes accessibility and innovation, especially for emerging tokens and DeFi projects. It offers spot and futures trading with competitive fees and a streamlined user interface that appeals to both beginners and experienced traders. MEXC's standout feature is that its early listing of new and trending cryptocurrencies, providing users with access to promising assets before they gain wider attention. The platform supports multiple order types and offers staking and liquidity mining opportunities. While MEXC has a smaller global footprint compared to Binance, it focuses on community engagement and rapid feature development. Limitations include lower liquidity on some pairs and fewer advanced trading tools than Binance. MEXC is ideal for traders interested in discovering new projects and those who prefer a straightforward, easy-to-use platform without sacrificing essential trading functions. Find more information at MEXC.com. Comparing Binance and MEXC highlights clear trade-offs. Binance excels in liquidity, security, and a wide variety of assets, making it suitable for high volume and professional traders. Its advanced tools support complex strategies but may overwhelm newcomers. MEXC, on the other hand, offers quicker access to new tokens and a simpler interface, appealing to users focused on innovation and ease of use. For example, a trader seeking well-established coins with deep order books will benefit from Binance's infrastructure. Conversely, someone looking to invest early in emerging projects might prefer MEXC. Fee structures are competitive on both platforms, though Binance's native BNB token provides additional discounts. Regulatory challenges have affected Binance's availability in certain regions, while MEXC maintains a growing international presence. Ultimately, the choice depends on your trading goals and experience level. Choose Binance for extensive coin selection, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools, especially if you're an experienced trader or seeking a comprehensive crypto ecosystem. MEXC is recommended for users prioritizing early access to new tokens and a user-friendly platform. It's perfect for those exploring innovative crypto projects without the complexity of larger exchanges. Both platforms offer value, so pick the one matching your trading style and goals.